except as permitted by the copyright law applicable to you. You may not reproduce or communicate any of the content on this video without the permission of the copyright owner. This is published only for practice purposes.
This dialogue takes place at the Department of Housing Help Emergency. A Filipino woman is asking about accommodation assistance. The dialogue begins now.
Tulungan niyo po kami. Hindi ho namin alam ang gagawin namin.
Calm down. Tell me exactly what happened.
Nasa bahay ho kami nang magsimula ang apoy sa aming kusina. Pagkatapos, mabilis itong kumalat at nasunog ang buong bahay namin.
I'm sorry to hear that, but you are safe. Where is your husband? Who else are affected? Did you call the fire brigade?
Ang kapitbahay namin ang tumawag ng bumbero. Tinulungan kami ng aming kapitbahay. Nagulat ang asawa ko. May isa kaming anak na lalaki pero nasa ibang bansa siya.
Alright, please come down and start filling out the paper.
Kailan niyo ho kami mabibigyan ng matutuluyan? Wala kaming ibang pwedeng hingian ng tulong.
I'll do my best to help you. We always have accommodation for people who encountered cases like this. Please give me your details. Do you have your passport?
Maraming salamat po. Mabuti na lang at dala namin ang aming mga pasaporte.
Let's start filling up the forms. Please write your current address, contact number, details of your son such as email address and contact number. Do you know where he is at the moment?
Nasa Madrid, Spain siya. Sumama siya sa study tour. Ibibigay ko yung numero ng telepono niya. Maaari niyo ba siyang matuntun gamit ang iyong telepono?
I'll try my best. I'll organise that with my manager. Wait a minute.
Salamat ho. Sana hindi maapektuhan ang pag-aaral ng anak ko kapag nalaman niya ang nangyari.
Hopefully we can get in touch with your son and he can come home to help you.